All right, so as we finish up 2.3 here, these are the final questions. Let's go over one together for sure. So we're talking about histograms. The following histogram represents the scores of a math class on a recent test. Okay? So remember these bars here, the numbers, these numbers here are, that 40 is right here, that 40% is right there. 50% are right here, is right here. So this bar, like this one right here, right? That bar represents the number of students that scored between 40 and 50. Okay? So, you know, between 40 and 50, so if you got a 42 or a 45 or 47, okay, that would go in there. Now, probably this would include an actual 50 as well, because it looks like the 100 being at the very end, the 100 would have to go in there. So it looks like the 90 probably would go in there, and the 80 would go in this one, and so on. So the 50 would probably go in there too, and the 40 would go in this one. So in case you're wondering, like, what happens if you get a 40, which one are you counted in? Or if you get a 70, which one are you counted in? You just kind of have to look carefully and just kind of see, okay, let's see if this makes sense. So if someone got 100%, there's no bar over here for them. So they have to go in this bar that's just to the left. So that's a way you can figure that out. All right, so I don't know if that'll matter or not. Okay, it says how many students received a mark between 70 and 80. So you go onto the graph here. There's 70 and there's 80. And I guess we're looking for the height of this bar right here. Does that look right? Okay, between 70 and 80. So how many students there? Good old 8. 8 students. Okay? 8. That's pretty easy, hey? All right. How many students got below 60%? Okay. So here's a good question. Below 60% would be this bar, for sure. And is that the answer, 6? Why not? Right, there's these two as well. Very good. So we have to add all of the numbers that are represented there, right? So here's 60, and here is everything below 60, all of these bars. So that's going to be 6 plus, what's this one? Looks like half of 2, so that's going to be 1. Now, would this be 1.1 or 1.2? Could be 1.1. Does it look like it might be 1.1? Because okay, could it be 1.1? Could be. You think so? Okay. What are we counting again?
It can be 1.1.
Yeah, number of students. It can be 1.1.
What if it's just a finger?
What if it's just a finger? Right. Someone's finger got a 50% on the test. Congratulations, finger.
Smart finger.
Yeah. So, good question.
I mean, technology.
But no. Technology? Technology has something to do with that? No. So there's no decimals here when we're talking about number of people. It's either one person or 2 or 3, nothing in between. Okay. So how many people got under 40 or between 0 and 40? Looks like 2. Uno?
That's 1.
You mean
Dos. Okay, good. Dos. Okay, so this is a total of 9 students. Okay, 9. Everyone understand that? It's good? Okay. So no single fingers are able to write a test. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Okay, what's the highest mark received by a student? Okay, 100? 100? Now, why would you say 100?
Because test is out of 0 to 100.
Okay.
That's the highest you get is 100.
Okay. So I want to just pick up on what you said there. The test scores are between 0 and 100. Okay, it looks like. And 100 is the highest number that's shown here. Okay? Now, the 100 is the largest number that's shown there. And so that someone that gets 100 would be counted in this part of the histogram. However, we don't know these 3 students that are in here, right? This is a height of 3. Of those 3 students that got between 90 and 100, we have no idea what their actual test marks were. So we don't know if all 3 of them got 92, or if one got 93, one got 97, and one got 99.
Will we put 90?
We don't really know. So we know that 3 students got test scores between 90 and 100. That's what we know. So this question, when it says what's the highest mark received by a student, we cannot tell.
So with the-
Someone could have got 100, but there could have been 3 kids at 91. So 91 could be the answer, we don't know. So we can't tell. Okay? We can't tell. Only a complete answer would, you would want to finish this off. Only the number of students are given, not exact scores. Okay, does that make sense? Not exact scores. That looks a little funny down there. Not exact scores. Okay? Okay, so that's question number 1.